So Joe, I think there's a, you know, you could sell stuff. Right now I'm obsessed with people buying and selling shit. I don't know if you know this, but it is scary how much money can be made if you go to thrift stores and Marshalls and dollar stores and garage sales and flip shit on Craigslist, eBay, Lecca.
Really?
And I mean real economics.
So people go to thrift stores, they buy a bunch of vintage clothes, and then they go on Craigslist.
It's even scarier than that. Now that you have a phone and you get the eBay app and you just scan shit, it's not even vintage clothes, which is like the thing most people listening think makes sense. It's fucking every single thing on earth. Every single person right now that's listening, that needs $5,000, it's in your fucking house. It's in your closet. It's in your basement. It's in your attic. Your shit that you're not using is worth money, and you just don't want to put in the work to flip it.
Huh.
Uh-huh. So I started something called the 2017 Flip Challenge, right? And I like made this video, and the amount of I'm getting hundreds of emails a week of people like, holy shit, I was on fucking welfare, I have college loans, I wanted to take my family on a vacation, and it was the fucking fourth pair of shoes in my closet that I didn't have. Or people that are not as fortunate, maybe really don't have a lot of stuff in their home, they were just going to dollar stores or thrift stores scanning with the eBay app, and some guy just bought like 80,000 fucking American Apparel t-shirts for 49 cents and is like selling them for like 16 bucks on eBay. Like, it's the flip, man. I'm telling you, the reason I'm saying this right now is I want somebody to leave with something tangible from this interview for themselves. The flip.